Here it is, my lord. Yes, my
Wherein
senior
it-
Mr. Roshan Subedi out of station, my lord. If the
Wait,
meta
part 2 is not here.
Oh.
Part 2 list is not here with me. 9 of part 2.
yes, my lord. If the meta be taken up next week,
On the submission made by the learned counsel for the appellant. Consent taken.
Yes, sorry, my lord.
Then, so, which, this is the MACT case.
MSCT
Yes, my
case,
lord.
Lordship, yes.
Why did you keep MACT cases pending?
My lord, my senior is going out of station. He's at Kolkata.
Mention is made on behalf of Mr. Roshan Subedi, learned counsel for the respondent for adjournment of the matter, which is not objected by Mr. Johnny L. Tochong, learned counsel for the appellant.
And regarding item number 13, my
In
lord.
view of the above,
Sorry,
list
next week.
list in the next week, let's see if I can take. Huh.
And regarding item number 13, my lord, if the matter be taken after a week,
Who is the counsel for the appellant?
my lord, we have taken prior consent.
Okay.
Mr.
Appellant is
Alpha
Mr.
Kong.
Alpha.
Okay, mention is Mr. Johnny L. Tochong is also
Yes,
here.
I'm also
For the
for the respondent number 1, claimant. Lordship.
Okay. And Roshan Subedi is for respondent number.
And Subedi is for respondent number 2.
True, my lord.
Mention is made on behalf of Mr. Roshan Subedi, learned counsel for respondent number 2, for adjournment of the matter. It is not objected by Mr. Johnny L. Tochong, learned counsel for respondent number 1. Full stop. It is also submitted that consent of the other side is also taken. In view of the above, list the matter after 1 week.
Obliged, my lord.
Lordship, regarding item number 3 of part 2, Lordship, this case is one of the cases identified and referred for mediation, Your Lordship. Item number
okay,
3, Lordship.
okay.
So the
Matter
petitioner is
different.
ready, but I don't know whether the state respondent is willing to settle the matter outside the court or not.
We make an attempt.
Lordship,
Is it-
yes.
So, what's happened now? Mr. Johnny L. Tochong, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the instant case has been identified for settlement for true mediation, wherein the parties do not object to make an attempt to come to an amicable settlement. In view of the above, matter to be listed for mediation registry to do the needful.
And Your Lordship, item number 11, can we take up this matter tomorrow, Your Lordship? This is a simple matter, RFA.
Both the parties should be there.
I have informed the
So come tomorrow, let's see.
Lordship, yes.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I'll just come quickly to the impugn order. This is challenge to the notification for suspensions of Chakma Autonomous District Council by the governor, by respondent number 2. It is at that challenge that it is at page number 44. Annex 12. If you, Lordship, remember yesterday also I furnished this document. You might have gone through.
Anyways,
Yeah,
what
this
is
is
44?
my very short fact. Only 2-3 dates are important. I know that very short dates are on 5th. Requisition was made. It is at Annex 1 by 14 MDC out of 19 MDC. So yeah, they have absolute majority.
Not at all. Anyways, what is this?
Yeah, my lord, that is-
Annexure 1. What is this?
Yes,
Special
this is
meeting.
yes. So yeah, they requested the chairman to convene a special meeting. So they have,
Why a special meeting?
because here they want to test the floor, to have the floor
Oh,
test
floor
here.
test, another floor test.
Yes, yes. My
This is
main,
Chakma.
yes,
Okay, the previous one was lie.
lie.
Okay.
So this is also the test of, my lord, if they have special meeting on 16, the unusual CM, he lost majority on 16 at special meeting by notice of motion. So my lord, I have absolute majority in this case. Out of 20, I have 16 members. So it is in 22, I think I have given to the court master also. This is in violation of the Chakma CAB rules 2002. I have absolute majority. I should be invited to conduct floor tests.
So your writ petition is against and which order? Impugned
Against
order?
this one notification 77, that annexes
So will
12.
we show notice?
My lord, at this point, what I would like to mention is that at least status quo be maintained, because my points are that
No,
one is that it has to be gazette, published in the gazette. One, it has to be laid before legislature, and one is also it has to be laid given to the district council also. So status quo is required.
Stay will be considered in the next date. If status quo is maintained, then this impugned order is operative.
My lord, status quo. I am not playing for stay at all, because there can be further action taken. In the meantime, they might invite another party. They can defect also, because anti-defection is not applicable, to prevent the further
What's
complication.
this order? Let's read.
My lord, one annex, last annex 12.
You're against this impugned order.
Yes.
So this, if status quo is maintained, then this impugned order will be operative? It's
The-
okay. So leave it, what status quo, leave it as it is.
Yes.
What's the order?
This is at 44, page number 44. Because the government can invite another party also, because this is the test of the fairness of the governor. Yesterday, I submitted that the governor is not fair at all. Being a BJP, he really...
No, don't make those imputations here in the court. Whichever party it is, it's okay. We have just to look at the legality. See, this court will not look into which party they are because of this party. We're just going to look into the legality of the order.
But see the
itself.
legality, my lord, allow me to just make one
The
point.
reason behind that can be anything.
But it is apparent from the record. Because
So what? So what is this order?
44,
Read.
this notification
Read the notification.
from the post of CEM Autonomous District Council on special sitting of the 11th Chakma Autonomous District Councils on 16/6/2025. Whereas upon removal of Sri Molin Kumar Chakma as CEM, Sri Lakhan stated claim to be the third CEM of the 11th CADC, and whereas Honorable Governor is the firm opinion that constant political instability is extremely detrimental for CADC and is certainly not what it is intended by the 6th schedule to the constitutions of India, which envisions the effective administration of the tribal areas for the good of the people. Whereas opinion of the councils of ministers was obtained, and whereas as provided under para 16.2 of the 6th schedule, the governor is satisfied that administrations of the CIDC cannot be carried on in accordance with the provisions of the 6th schedule. Now, therefore, in exercise of the power conferred by para 16.2, read with para 20B of the 6th schedule to the constitutions of India, the governor of Mizoram is pleased to assume to himself all functions of powers vested in exercisable by the Chakma Autonomous District Council. Further, the governor of Mizoram is pleased to declare that such functions or powers shall be exercised by Deputy Commissioner Longklai Aizol on his behalf with immediate effect for a period of 6 months or until further order.
6 months.
Yes.
So now it's July. So leave it, no status quo. This is for 6 months until further order. So before that, I think we can see whether to set aside this order or not.
Your Lordship,
It's
fine.
against this impugned order.
Yes, it's
isn't
fine,
it? So
Lordship.
leave it, it's safe enough. Will issue notice first? Let's see.
Yeah, much obliged, Lordship.
Mr. J.C. Lalmunsang, learned counsel for the petitioner, who has filed the instant writ petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India for issuance of the appropriate writ or order, wherein the notification dated 07/07/2025 declaring governor's rule upon the Chakma Autonomous District Council within brackets CADC close bracket is challenged is under challenge. Okay, full stop. Then issue notice of motion to the respondents. Mrs. Mary Elkiangte, learned government advocate, accepts notice on behalf of the state respondents. Notice be issued to
Respondent number 4.
respondent number 4 through registered post with AD within 3 working days, returnable by 3 weeks. List after 3
Can I have
weeks.
fixed date because I have to come from Delhi on
Okay.
11? Can I have on 11 August?
Okay, on 11/8/2025. Yes.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Meanwhile, requisite copies of the writ petition to be duly furnished to the learned government.
Admission item 2.
The respondents are to file affidavit. Till
Yes.
they have not filed. My lord,
What's
in my
happening?
opinion, I think we can have it disposed with a short direction, lords.
Your Lordship, I have sought instructions regarding the spot verification because, Your Lordship, there is a lot of factual grounds that has to be explored in this regard, Your Lordship, because it is stated that the notification, the preliminary notification for the extension of the
Damba area.
Damba area was issued in 2011 and the LSCs was issued in 2013. So, Your Lordship, we have to look into the
Then
facts
we'll
of the
have to
case.
see, Anyways,
No, my lord,
so how long would you take?
if I may, my lord.
Your Lordship, if a week time may be
That-
granted.
Yes, I think mistaken, my lord. The
So let them-
notification was 2018, not 11, lordship.
No, so let them file, then you file your rejoinder.
Now, my lord,
then
they
we'll
have
see.
taken time from 3rd of June,
Final
lordship.
time.
They have
final
already
time.
done, my lord.
Now you have all the information.
Yes,
File
Your
your
Lordship.
affidavit.
Yes, Your
Isn't
Lordship. The additional affidavit will include the spot verification as well, Your Lordship.
Oh, you have filed a affidavit in opposition. Affidavit-
Yes,
They've
Your
already
Lordship.
filed,
However, the
Also,
spot
you want time
verification.
for additional.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Additional only on the issue whether the acquisition area is covering the land of the plaintiff. That's all, my lord. That is the only
So
issue
let
to
them
be
file, let's
to be incorporated in the affidavit. Nothing else, my lord.
If this matter may be listed again on the 8th of August, Your Lordship.
Okay. Make sure, final chance.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. Heard Mr. C. Zoram Chana, learned counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. Also heard Ms. Lalnundui, learned government advocate for the state respondents. Full stop. The learned government advocate has prayed for yet another chance to file the additional counter affidavit. Full stop. Considering the fact that this matter has been adjourned several times, awaiting for the government advocate to file the additional counter affidavit, this court find it fit to give final chance to the government to file the additional affidavit as prayed for, full stop, new para, as prayed for, list on
8th
11.
August, Your Lordship.
8th,
8th August, yes, Your
8th,
Lordship.
8th, 2025. Yes.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
If I may kindly be, my lord, granted time for filing my objection to this, my lord. This is a criminal petition, my lord.
I'll file you this thing.
I'll file my
What
affidavit.
is this thing? Suspected heroin is 14 kgs.
14, my lord.
That's a lot.
And methamphetamine.
Methamphetamine, then let's take your time. Because your main, I think the only ground is that notice was not issued to you
Yes, my lord.
when this thing is extended. Is
Yes,
it?
my lord.
Okay. Heard Mr. S. Vanlal Shiata, learned counsel for the petitioners. Also heard Mr. C. Zoram Chana, learned counsel for the
NCB, madam.
learned counsel for the
Respondent.
respondents. NCB.
NCB, madam.
Full stop. The learned counsel for the respondents has prayed for time to file their counter affidavit. In view of the above, list after
3 weeks, madam.
After 3 weeks.
Obliged.
Orders item 4.
Yes.
May it please your lordship. This is the bail petition. Under section 480 of the BNSS. My lord, the brief text of the case, which led to filing of the instant petition, is that on 28th of August 2023, SI Rinsanga seized 2 kgs of heroin kept and concealed inside Bolero pickup registration number AS10 AC1929 at Seling Village, my lord. And then in connection with the seizure of heroin, Mr. Bokul Uddin, the driver, and Sabir Ali, the present petitioner, handleman, and Mr. Zakir Hussain were arrested on the same date. And then trial charge sheet was already filed, and then out of 12 prosecution witnesses, only 4 witnesses have been examined till date. And my lord, my sole ground is that long incarceration, my lord. So my
You were
lord,
arrested on,
28/8/2022.
so almost 2 years.
Yes, my lord. Almost one year, 11 months.
Okay.
That
Charge sheet was filed when?
my lord,
Charge sheet
Charge
was
sheet was-
submitted on 23/10,
23/10, my lord.
2023.
And my lord, I would like to bring to your lordship kind notice is that PW1 was examined on 26/2024. PW2 was examined on 21/5/2024. PW8 was examined on 5/2/2024. And PW10 was examined on 26/11/2024. And my lord, on PW8 was examined on 5/2/2025, and after that, no witnesses have been come up before the trial court for examination, my lord.
Let's see the witnesses list.
My lord, it is said from page 10.
They all are from this thing, but they are all from Vairengte, isn't it?
Uh,
Some of them Vairengte,
Some-
Lunglei, selling
Selling
Lunglei
Lunglei.
Road. You see, if they are from Vairengte, considering the road condition, selling Lunglei Road. Selling Lunglei Road. Selling is not too far off. Anyways.
And my lord, I have one submission. In bail application number 14 of 2025, that is the file by the co-accused Bokul Uddin, my lord. Your lordship has granted him bail due to long incarceration, my lord. So, my lord, the present petitioner herein prays for parity, my lord. My lord, I am very sorry that this
No.
order is not uploaded in the website. And then I have obtained a copy from the trial court, my
No,
lord.
here it is not for long incarceration.
My lord, if your lordship may kindly come to
Receive
para
copy,
16.
receive copy. We had given time, isn't it?
Yes.
For 4 months.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, okay. Anyways, what do you have to say? The uh, additional PP?
with the prayer for parity in the case, Your Lordship, I do not have any comments. But then the comments that I have is that, first of all, the present applicant is a non-resident of Mizoram, so there is every possible that he might escape the trial. And Your Lordship, second is that this is the wherein conscious possession is very easy to establish, because the fact is that the compartment in the vehicle that the seized heroin was recovered, it was a custom made, so they have to drill it out from the workshop. And Your Lordship, the embargo of section 37 would be attracted. Now, in my humble opinion, this is not very long incarceration, because it's just 1 year, 11 months as on date. 1 year, 10 months. And Your Lordship, I have gone through the whole affirmance that is made here in the instant application, and there is no where it is stated that he is not innocent, he is not guilty of the alleged offense, and he do not have any involvement. So the embargo of section 37 is attracted, Your Lordship.
Okay. I'll pass the order later.
Yes.
Supplementary.
Oblige.
Yes.
Well, in this case, respondent number 5 and 6, service upon respondent number 5 has directed the appellant to do the paper publication.
Oh, so have you done?
So we are still waiting for the paper publication.
Lordship, this case, if I may make my submission, that it is identified and referred for mediation purpose.
Okay, mediation?
Yes,
Then good if you can settle.
However, if I may submit or also submit that the paper newspaper publication is done at the state of Siltar, so the hard copy is not yet received by the insurance company. And in
Okay,
the-
this is on the quantum or what?
both
On
the
your
liability and the
liability.
quantum, Lordship.
So if it's referred for mediation, then are you willing to accept the liability, or maybe first pay and then recover later? Something like that.
In the
How do you settle?
Lordship, when we contact the insurance company, they stated that it is good to go with the flow of the mediation progress and
Okay. So try and settle the
I don't know
claimants.
why they blow and sometimes they blow and sometimes they blow cold. The other
Anyways,
day, when we are talking about the present case, they said that the
they are
matter is
not
between
liable,
the
but then in mediation, everything is possible. So let's see if you can settle it, it's well and good.
Let the
Maybe the
paper
amount, what is
publication
the
report
claimant,
has come.
what is the, this thing, awarded amount?
the amount is
31 lakhs.
So
31 lakhs.
maybe if the claimants are willing to reduce the amount a little bit, then even the insurance company will not insist that they are not liable, and on those grounds also you can come to a settlement.
My lord, for
Because
that purpose
if you
also,
can receive your money early, it's good for you.
that is
also.
true, my lord. But at the same time, I will have to talk to my
No,
clients.
so that will be in the mediation, this thing, during mediation. Tell your clients also that to settle the matter, it's better for them. Otherwise, the case will take time and they need the money also. I mean, that is what happens in mediation. Sometimes the claimant also are willing to lessen the amount a little bit, but the money should be paid within, again, a short date. Then it's for the benefit of all of you. I mean, so it is possible. Let's see.
Let the paper,
Yes.
let the paper publication report
Or
come.
in the meantime, it will come. Okay. Otherwise, it can be claim and recovery, payment and recovery later also. It can be settled. It's not difficult. Mr.
Michael Pachual.
Michael Pachau appears on behalf of Mr. Johnny L. Tochong, learned counsel for the appellant, along with Mr. L.H. Lianshima, learned senior counsel for respondents number 1244/claimants. It is seen that this matter has been identified for settlement through mediation. In view of the above, registry to do the needful by placing the matter for settlement through mediation. Full stop. In the meantime, the learned counsel for the appellant may submit their affidavit showing that notice was served to respondents number 5 and 6 through newspaper publication. Yes.
Obliged.
Obliged.
Item 7.
Yes, what is the stage?
My lord, at this stage, I'm yet to file my additional affidavit, which I'll be filing during the course of the day or tomorrow.
Okay. Mr. Victor L. Ralte, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that he will be able to file his additional affidavit
Within this week.
within this week. In view of the above, this the matter in the next week. Yes.
Item 8.
May it please, Your Lordship. My Lord, with regard to the respondent number 2 in this particular case, my Lord, we have got a newspaper publication, my Lord. So the hard copy, the original copy.
Can this
has
matter be
arrived.
referred for mediation? Settle?
Maybe, my Lord, I have to
Okay, find out.
consult the,
You're the
company.
insurance company,
my
is
Lord,
it?
my Lord, my Lord.
What is the appeal?
This is with regard to the liability and the quantum, my Lord.
Well, so see.
I will try, my Lord.
And then you find out, we'll list it on Monday. In the meantime, you contact the insurance company. Mr. Benjamin Lalsamona, learned counsel for the appellant, submits that service of notice to the respondent number 2 through Dusty is yet to be complete. Stop. Then Miss
Lillian Brickhampton.
so-and-so, Lillian Puikhangte appears on behalf of her senior, Miss Jacinta Zotanmoy, learned counsel for respondent number 1. This court finds that the instant case may be appropriate for reference for settlement through mediation. So, the learned counsel for the appellant to get instructions and thereafter lists this matter again on, what's Monday, 28th? On 28/7/2025. Yes.
Obliged.
Item 9.
Lordship, this is a matter relating to the retirement age of the petitioner who is working in the refunds. Lordship, affidavit have been filed by the respondents.
Pleadings
And have
complete?
filed, yes. Be
Pleading-
admitted for final hearing, my lord.
Okay, pleadings complete, then we will admit and list it for hearing. Okay. I heard Mr.
Within 1 month, your lordship, if possible.
No, so it'll come up with in due course on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Oh, please. your lord.
Item 10.
Lordship, in this reply affidavit needs to be filed by the petitioners.
I have, I have RTI application submitted in the, before the concerned authority, which I'm yet to receive the reply.
Okay,
So
so
I seek further,
rejoinder affidavit.
yes, my lord,
Okay, we'll give you time.
yes, my lord. If 4 weeks' time will be granted in the meantime, well, I'll file.
Okay, Mr. Victor El Rante, learned counsel for the petitioner is present along with Mr. C. Ramzawa, learned senior counsel for respondents number 1 to 3. The learned counsel for the petitioner has prayed for further time to file their rejoinder affidavit. In view of the above, list after
4 weeks, my lord,
4 weeks.
will be obliged.
Item 11.
Yes.
My lord, pleadings are complete and the matter can be posted for admission hearing, my lord. Next Thursday, if possible, next week. 21.
What's the urgency? Leave it
The-
after 2 weeks.
There is no urgency as such, my lord.
No urgency.
There is no urgency as such.
leave it.
However, if possible,
Oh, anyway, after 2 weeks. Okay.
my lord.
Mr. Lalbiak Nonganamte, learned counsel for the petitioner is present, along with Mr. L.H. Liantrima, learned counsel for the respondents. It is submitted that pleadings are complete. It is submitted by the learned counsels, okay, that pleadings are complete. In view of the above, list the matter for admission hearing after 2 weeks.
Obliged.
Item 12.
Affidavit has not
Yes.
been filed by the respondents, your lordship. The last court date, 3 weeks' time was granted to them.
Government advocate,
That 3 weeks' time, I believe, is elapsed then. It's not lapsed yet.
That's the, yeah.
who is for respondent number 7? Who is respondent number 7? Notice is complete. Is it a private party?
Uh,
Not that long.
Yes, private respondent.
Yes.
Lalran Zwali. So how will her absence be affected?
On the last court date, on 5/6/2025, the notice was accepted to be complete.
It's deemed complete, but no one is representing her. What is the writ petition about?
Writ petition is regarding the pension benefit that has been settled by this honorable court, but payment has not been made. And we have submitted representation one after another to the concerned department, but they have not processed the matter till date.
But why is there a private respondent?
Private respondent was the person in whose favor the pension benefit was earlier granted. And after decision was made by this honorable court, the benefit has been divided into two. One half given to us, and the other half given to the
Private respondent.
not private respondent, the minor son of the
Deceased. Who?
yes, minor son of the deceased from another woman.
From other women,
Yes,
but not Lalrinzwali, respondent number 7, is it? No, I'm just wondering, why is there private, when you're saying that your pension has not been dispersed, why is there a private respondent involved in this case? I'm just
Lordship,
curious.
may I take Lordship to page 62?
62.
This is a letter addressed to the private respondent, Srimati Lalrinzwali.
But why have you made her a party?
We have made her party, respondent number 7.
Okay, so this is to send back the pension book from her,
Yes, yes.
which she has not done till date. That's the only ground, is it?
By the time, yes, the letter was sent on 6 May 2024, it appears that he had not sent back the PPO.
So find out whether this thing has been sent or not also. Now,
So
then
her present-
what is
her
the case? What counter affidavit will they file then? Can't we dispose of the instant writ petition with a direction? So why haven't you filed this thing, contempt petition then? Is it because a period of how many, 1 year or whatever?
I think
has
so, Your
lapsed?
Lordship. 1 year has already elapsed. It's a judgment of 2022, 28/10/2022, and we filed this in 25. In the meantime, we have moved the authorities by submitting representation one after another, expecting that
Latest representation is dated?
Lordship,
No, we'll give them some time to file their counter affidavit. If they don't, just see whether the matter can be disposed of with an order that your representation, if required, you submit a fresh representation, then we'll fix a date. Then if that is not complied with within the limited time given, then contempt petition can be filed, then maybe a case will move faster.
even
If
at
that
this
is the
stage,
only
even
issue.
at this stage, Your Lordship, the respondents will have nothing to say because everything has been said.
So
And-
we'll give them final
Yes.
chance, if they have anything, final chance to file their counter. If they don't, then maybe in the next date, we can dispose of the writ petition
Yes, Your
with an order that should be dispersed, and thereafter, let's see. Isn't it?
Lordship. No
Heard
problem.
Mr. C. Laramzawa, learned senior counsel, assisted by Mr. Stephen so-and-so, learned counsel. Also heard Mrs. Mary L. Kianke, learned government advocate for the state respondents, who has prayed for another date to file their counter affidavit. So, it is seen that though notice is deemed to be complete upon respondent number 7, none appeared for respondent 7. Considering the new para, on hearing the learned counsels for both the parties and considering the nature of the writ petition, which is said to be for the compliance of the judgment of this court dated 28/10/2022 in RSA 2 of 2016. This court find it appropriate to give final chance to the state respondents to file their counter affidavit. Yes, list the matter. After, how long will you take, Mrs. Mary? 2 weeks?
Yes, Your Lordship.
After 2 weeks.
Item
Obliged.
13.
Your Lordship, Chair, may I seek another 3 weeks' time for filing affidavit on behalf of the state respondents?
Okay, Mr. Leonard Sunga, is it? Learned counsel for the petitioner is present along with Mrs. Mary L. Kianke.
Your Lordship,
Sorry, Your Lordship.
respondent already filed affidavit.
Okay, along with Mrs. Mary L. Kianke, learned counsel for the government advocate for the state respondents.
Yeah, Chuchu Pankaj, excuse me.
It is seen that counter
My-
affidavit has been filed by the state respondents, number 1 to 5. Then,
My
pleading
lord,
complete? Or you want to file your rejoinder?
my lord, no. This matter is referred to special mediation drive.
Okay.
However, my lord, I would like to pray is, government already filed their affidavits. And if the government is ready for settlement, we are ready to.
Good, then we'll file it for this thing, mediation, isn't it?
My
Pleadings
prayer is, my
complete.
lord, if the government respondent are ready for mediation, it is okay. Otherwise, in the next court date hearing can be conducted because we will not file any counter affidavit.
No, see, settlement of any case through mediation is better
Yes,
than a
ma'am.
judgment. Okay. Okay. It is submitted by the learned counsel for the petitioner that this matter has been identified for mediation. And the same is not objected by the parties. In view of the above, matter is to be listed for settlement through mediation, registry to do the needful. Yes.
Obliged, madam.
Item 14.
Yes.
My lord, this is a case pertaining to claim for family pension, passover of family pension. But the respondents are yet to file the affidavit.
Family pension, why is it not paid?
Lordship, we have not yet received instruction from the concerned authority. Finance.
So find out, because pension is a matter of right, you cannot deny. What is the reason? Yes, Mr. Lalsan Liana Kiangte, learned counsel for the petitioner is present along with Miss Baby so-and-so, learned counsel for
Respondent number 1 to 5.
1 to 5. The learned counsel has prayed for the respondents, has prayed for further time to file the counter affidavit. In view of the above, list after
3 weeks, my
3
lord.
weeks. 3 weeks, this thing, okay, full stop there. In the meantime, you contact them through phone.
Yes, my
telephone.
lord.
Okay, it's all India radio. See what's happening.
Yes, my lord. Obliged.
Item 15.
Your Lordship,
What, counter?
Your Lordship, the state do not have any comments in the matter.
So, all the respondents are presented?
Yes, my lord. Respondent 3 and 4 can be deemed to be, this can be deemed to be completed.
Miss, you got name?
Lalrinomi Chakma.
Lalrinomi Chakma appears on behalf of her senior Mr.
Jordan Rohming Thanga.
Jordan Romhing Thanga. Then Mr. Rokung Apautu appears on behalf of respondents number,
My lord, on behalf of my senior counsel for respondent number
Okay.
3 and 4.
appears on behalf of his senior Mr. J.C. Lalnun Sanga, learned standing counsel for respondents number 3 and 4. Along with Miss Mrs. Mary L. Kente, learned government advocate for the state respondents. Yes, the learned counsels for the respondents have prayed for time to file their counter affidavits. List after 3 weeks.
Obliged. Item 16.
Your Lordship, in this matter, I was given chance to file affidavit, but the time is not yet lapsed. But today it is listed for whether to see whether the case is fit for referral to the.
Yes.
Yes. Your Lordship, if I may be given a daytime to obtain instructions from the concerned department.
Okay. Petitioner is willing, isn't it?
I have to take instruction, my lord.
Okay. Mr. C. Lal Fagzola, learned counsel for the petitioner, is present, along with Mrs. Mary L. Kiante, learned government advocate. The learned counsels submit that this matter has been identified for settlement through mediation, and that they may be given some time to get necessary instructions from their clients. In view of the above, list, when do you want it?
Monday, Your Lordship.
List
Tuesday.
on,
My lord, status quo in the meantime.
okay, list on 28/7, 2025. Meanwhile, status quo. Was there an order?
There's an order that it will, status quo shall be maintained till the next date of listing.
Yes.
Since this case has been upgraded today, before the lapse of the.
Okay, meanwhile, status quo to be maintained till the next date of this.
Your Lordship, if it can be listed on 29, just in case if my
Okay,
instructions
instead
do
of
not return.
28, 29.
Deeply obliged.
Obliged.
Item 17. Orders.
My lord, in this matter, as per the court's order dated 10/6/2025, we have taken steps for notice upon respondent number 7, 8, and 9, my lord.
So we are waiting for return.
Yes, and in respect of number 7, respondent number 7, my lord, notice has been returned unserved.
Why? Incorrect
Because,
address?
yes, not found.
So find the correct address.
Yes, my lord. And my lord,
This
yes,
Mac appeal.
yes, make appeal, my lord.
Can you settle the matter?
My lord, this is with regard to the liability, my lord. So there are some technical issues with regard to this case, so I don't know,
Even then-
it can be settled through mediation, my lord.
It can still be settled if you want.
Not in the meanwhile, I'll.
My lord,
consult
I'll take
the-
instruction then.
Yeah, my lord, I'll
Get
get
instructions.
Yes, my lord.
Who is the claimant?
I'm for the
is-
claimant, my lord.
So now the insurance company, you're saying that you're not liable?
Yes.
Why? Why aren't you liable?
We have raised certain ground, my lord. Ground number 1 is regarding validity of the license of the driver, and
Driver's license, that is always challenged, huh? Then,
and next point is the negligence of the driver during the incident, my lord.
the what? The?
Rash and
Negligence of the
negligent
driver.
driving, my lord.
Yes.
So see if you can settle the matter. Someone has died.
This is
Someone
the-
died
this
or
is-
what?
Not the driver, my lord, I'm sorry. Negligence of the deceased.
Negligence of the deceased.
Yes, in connection with the accident, my lord.
Then I think you can settle the matter. Because in the accident, did someone die? Someone died in the accident, someone is suffering.
Yes, my lord.
So, see, this is a social welfare legislation.
My lord,
You
exactly.
have to help someone who has died. Why make them suffer? Isn't
A
it?
week's time may be given for instruction, my lord.
So see if you can settle the matter.
Yes,
What is the awarded amount?
My lord, 19 lakhs, my lord.
19 lakhs. So for the sake of settlement, usually what happens in these this thing, for the sake of settlement, if the claimant says that she will not claim the full awarded amount, she is willing to reduce the amount.
My lord.
And the insurance also, okay, if it is for that much, then we will not
Negotiable amount,
take
my
a
lord. Yes.
stand, and then you can settle the matter. Then
Lord,
it is beneficial for the claimant also, because then a time limit within, maybe 1 week, 2 weeks, if the payment can be made, it's good for the claimant also, even though the matter may be a little bit less, the award.
My lord, actually, I was mistaken. The awarded amount was 14 lakhs and 3,800. So, my lord, this is a
Matter has been
Matter
kept
is
pending for a
with-
long time,
my lord,
isn't it?
yes.
So it's good if you can
with the
come to
interest. It
settle.
comes to around, as per my calculation, my lord, it comes to 17 lakhs, my lord.
Oh.
So,
So if you can settle the amount with a slightly lesser amount, maybe without the interest, I don't know, I'm just suggesting. On those grounds, I think MACT matters can easily be settled, but you have to have a little bit more of an open mind.
Yes.
Insurance company will have to keep in mind that you are actually to help the public or the claimants who have suffered, the family who has suffered for the accident, and the claimants also for the sake of settlement, even though there could be some technical hitch, if it's going to be settled, you can reduce the amount.
my lord,
So
we'll make an
advice,
attempt, my lord.
Huh?
We'll talk to the,
Ah,
we'll
talk
get
to
instructions,
your
we'll
everything. Yes.
make an attempt. my lord.
Mr. H. Zodin Sang, learned counsel for the appellant is present, along with Mr. Benjamin Lalthamona, learned counsel for respondents 1 to
Private
6
My lord,
slash claimants, is it?
my lord.
It is seen that notice upon respondents number 7, 8, and 9 is not complete, and that notice upon respondent number 7 is received with a remark that the respondent is not found in the given address. The learned counsel for the appellant is to take steps to find out the correct address of respondent number 7. Full stop. New para. Meanwhile, it is submitted that the parties, cancel the meanwhile. Okay. This court, however, finds that since this is a MAC appeal, the matter can be settled through mediation if the parties are willing. Full stop. The learned counsels for the parties are to get instructions whether they are willing to have their matter referred to mediation, for mediation. Yes.
My
List the
lord.
matter on,
In the meantime, my lord, there was some documents which was sought from the trial court, which was missing in the record, my lord, I think. So if it is coming or not, I don't know, my lord.
is there an order
Yes,
to that effect?
yes,
Then we'll see in the next date.
yes, my lord.
Where date it was, where's that order regarding missing documents? Dated?
Maybe in the month of May or April, I don't know, my lord, exactly.
No, so we had called for the records of the trial court. Has it arrived? Not scanned copy, oh, it just arrived.
Yes, my
So
lord.
leave it at that.
If it is then, my lord, no issue.
Okay, list on, when do you want it to get advice? List on Monday, same date, or 29?
29, my lord.
List on 29, 7, 2025. Yes.
No supply.
Item 18.
Matters.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, here also, what is the appeal? Can we settle, make an attempt?
Your Lordship, I talked to my client and
Huh.
they think the matter may not be able to settle because the matter involved is not only the quantum, it's because they don't think the company is liable because there is discrepancy in the name of the deceased. So in the light, they don't think the matter could be settled.
Okay. Then what is the stage? Appeal is admitted?
Yes, Your Lordship, the paper book has also been prepared.
Then parties, all the parties?
Parties as in the owner of the vehicle has not appeared. But actually, Your Lordship,
So
he's not
AD
a-
card from respondent number 3 is not returned till date.
Yes, Your Lordship. Even in the trial court, he was not present. But his presence is not actually necessary.
It is for the appellant to say that. You want the name to be struck off at your own risk?
Yes, maybe because he did not contest the case at all, even in the trial court.
Okay. Yes. Mr. Kelil Dindiana, learned counsel for the appellant is present along with Mr.
Jonathan.
Jonathan Lelrin Tuanga, learned counsel for respondents number
1 and 2.
1 and 2. First, the learned counsel for the appellant submits that he has received instructions that the matter that the appellant find that the matter would not be appropriate for listing before mediation. In view of the above, it is seen that AD card from respondent number 3 is not returned till date. The learned counsel for the appellant has prayed for striking of the name of the respondent number 3, who is not a necessary party in the instant appeal. That is full stop. In view of the above, name of respondent number 3 is struck off. Since TCR has arrived and the parties duly represented, list the matter for hearing in due course as per its own term.
Thank you.
Yes.
Obliged.